there are certain capacities in the natural unfolding of a person's psychological development that are stronger at certain ages. So, for instance, the intuitive and the sensation capacity of somebody in their late teens to early 20s is by nature much stronger than somebody who's 40 or 50, as the intuitive capacity diminishes, especially if they refrain from cultivating it. It doesn't need to disappear, but in many people it does because it's not cultivated during that time. But at the same time, when you're 18 or 20, there is a natural limitation. It doesn't matter who you are, what human being, how smart or brilliant. It's what Immanuel Kant called the development of sufficient reason. Your capacity for reasoning and seeing things for as they are is not yet fully developed as a human. It takes an extensive amount of time. Some people are leaning towards 26. Jung and myself are leaning towards 36 to 40, which is like right the pinnacle where I'm at right now, which sounds crazy. It sounds crazy that, you think of animals, they're born and almost right away, within a week, a month, they're capable of being independent. To really get to understanding who you are and your reasoning capacity to develop, it's a natural process of development, but it could be undermined as a human being. But it culminates, in my opinion, between 36 and 40. So here I am, my intuitions about something being missing in the world, about wanting to spread knowledge and wisdom. I mean, look at what I'm doing today. Or what I'm trying to do today is exactly what I was trying to do in the center. It's just that it's a decade later. It's after learning from a lot of mistakes about where my reasoning was off. I missed something. I wasn't seeing the whole picture. But the intuition, when I look back, was precisely correct. A lot of what I see wrong in the world today, a lot of my views about psychology and philosophy, they actually coincide with very much of what I was thinking at 16, 17. There's now more language to communicate it. There's now more ideas that are crystallized, but they were already present at that time.